I'm Bethany. Thanks for watching. This is class number 6 for DIY fashion illustration. So this week we are going to be adding accessories to our drawings that we've already done. You will need to print off these images for your class if you're teaching a class based on these keywords off of internet and Pinterest. Also need to print off things that are specific to what your class has picked as their themes. Try to print off things that are very specific to your students. Otherwise, you'll want to do general prints of things you find for accessories. I've got glasses, jewelry, backpacks, belts, handbags, anything you can think of. Spread it out all over the tables so that the students can be inspired beyond what their brains can come up with. Start class off by having everyone show the shoes that they made. We're not going to critique them, but just have the students show you what they've done, and hopefully they did a great job and don't need a little extra help. If there's something that they do need help on, Google it or help them come up with a plan. Tracing shoes, help them come up with an idea of how they can improve their shoes. Next, go ahead and read through the accessory list that I have come up with here, and you should have printed all these examples for your students. Talk about which accessories make sense for each style that each student has picked. Which things make sense, which things don't make sense. For example, if someone is doing formal dresses, they're not going to want to design backpacks to go with those. Have each student grab a library book that you have provided and give them about 3 minutes to flip through the book and just have them focus on finding accessories that go with the fashion designs, whether they're drawn or photographs. Spread those example pages that you printed out all over the table and rotate them throughout class. That way the students pick them up and have a little bit of extra inspiration. Each student's goal should be to add at least one accessory to each one of their outfits. They can add more. It can be something that's sitting on the ground next to their model. It can be used more as a prop. So as they are deciding what accessories to do, they need to put a piece of tracing paper over each one of their finished outfits as of now, until they get the accessory drawn perfectly, and then they can add it to their final drawing of each outfit. So turn on some music for the students so they can feel relaxed and enjoy the class, and go around one by one and see what each student needs, if there's anything they need from you or they need help. And by next week they need to have 6 outfits with accessories and shoes done.